This is a Medeco keymark, and this isn't a biaxial. It just it relies on the warding to keep it secure, which the warding is pretty brutal. I'm going to try to pick off the side. 1, 2, maybe some of 3, 4, maybe a click at a 5, something at a 6, nothing in the back. 1, 2, maybe click at a 3, maybe a little something at a 4. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. So let's definitely do a click at a 3. One. Okay. So yeah, I just had to set one way higher. It binds 4, 5, 6, and then you don't have to hit 7, and then it goes 3, 2, 1. But that is the Medeco keymark, and like I said, this thing isn't a biaxial. It doesn't have a sidebar. It's all standard pins, but it relies on that really brutal warding to keep it kind of safe. And what I was having to do was pretty much literally come in with my Law Lock tool scimitar off of this little piece right here and just angle it up. But that is the Medeco keymark.